Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sobhan, I'm an art teacher. And in this video I want to painting a landscape with oil pastel, and it's very easy. But before I started, I want to you please subscribe my YouTube channel and sending for your friend, because I teach free and not need to you pay the money for my videos. And waiting for what? Subscribe my YouTube channel and let's start it. Before I start the video, first I use new paper, and this is my oil pastel. And now I use it this color like this, and very carefully in a corner of the paper, because in the corner maybe like this. Did you see that? When I use it this, suddenly it's happening. And I use it there. Very easy and very simple. It's so nice. And maybe like this. Did you see that? When I use it this, suddenly it's happening. And I use it there. Very easy and very simple. It's so nice. And now I use pink color. First red, and after pink. Then I can use white color for shading. For shading, this color is very good. And after I use I think this color is good. Yes, this and this. I used both. This here. Until there. And then this color, the sky blue. The sky blue is very good. It's enough. And now I use another sky blue, a little light, more light than this. And for now, it's the best time for use the paper tissue for shading. Just you need this. When you use a paper, better than use a tissue. Because the tissue connected with the papers, and you can do it perfect shadow. This shading is good. And when your tissue is like this, you can use another tissue paper like this. Did you see that? It's really easy. And then I can use this here for shading the sea, but better than use another way, because maybe this here mixing with the color and your painting is false. Until there. It's really important the colors mixing with them, because um, if the line is there, show it's bad your details, and the bad details it's worse in your painting. This is okay. And now best time for using black color. And black color in oil pastel is a problem, because not very strong and not good for show details. Again, I use blue, dark blue, or medium blue. Medium blue is better. And exactly, I use the tip of the pastel like this. For sure, the details is better. And I can use dark blue this way for showing better. And the ending better than for me use the pencil color, because pencil color very good connecting with pastel. Soft pastel and oil pastel not different. Very good thinking. And then I use for curvy line. And again is there. If you want to use more black for your color, better than to use a black pencil color. I will show you. Wait a minute. For example, like this, I can use for more details. More detail is very easy with pencil color, and you can use for into the sea. And in the sky, I can paint it the group of the bird into the sky. It's okay. It's enough. And then at the end, I can do it like this here. A little is there, and this here. It's better use totally black. Totally black show it better. Somewhere a little more, and somewhere a little less. Like this here. It's more. At the end, I use again a tissue. for mixing the color. It's really easy and very simple. And for more details, you can use again another color like this. That's really easy. And depending to you, you can paint the mountain is there. Not big mountain, a little mountain, we'll see. And it's enough. I hope you like it. Wow, it's ending. I hope you like it. And it's very easy and very simple. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget sending for your friends, and thank you for subscribing me. I hope you liked my videos. Goodbye until next videos.